12 divided by 3 equals 4. And here we have 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first this division, 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So 4 divided by 6, then divided by 3. Now we have to do this division. 4 divided by 6 can be written as 4 over 6, then divided by 3. Now, let's simplify this fraction. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So we have 2 over 3 divided by 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 2 over 3 times 1 over 3, which equals 2 times 1 gives us 2, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. So 2 over 9. And this is our final answer to this problem.